Good day everyone, this is Crystal Rabasa and I'm here at St. Province to seek new knowledge and information about the promotion of gender equality and inclusivity, or maybe how people deal with societal standards and in connection with their gender identity. Today, I'm going to interview or more likely ask one of my classmates who is a part of LGBTQIA plus community. I heard that he is an influencer and an advocate. So let's find out more about him. So let's promote gender equality through thought-provoking questions is a powerful tool or approach to stimulate reflection, awareness, and to spark a meaningful dialogue to a member of community. So let's find out. So now that I found him, let me introduce to you the classmate that I'm talking about in the intro. So beside me is Jonathan Altagonda, an advocate and a small influencer from Cavite State University, Bacoor City Campus. And he is also a member of LGBTQIA plus community. Are you curious about his sentiments about gender equality and the societal standards? So if that's the case, to Mr. Jonathan, here are the things that I want to ask you first before we do a mukbang.
Yes.
Interview. Yes, we're doing
Magmumukbang
a
po
mukbang. Yes, an interview with a twist of doing mukbang. Are you excited?
So, while I'm answering some of the questions, we're doing that mukbang.
Have you seen or watched mukbang before? If you're not, then let's proceed. So, is it okay if I ask you some questions
Yeah.
regarding gender equality and equity?
Yeah, sure.
Even if it disclose your sentiments about the said issues?
Yeah.
Alright. For the questions. What do you mean by gender, or what it takes to be gender equitable gender, not just in theory but in practice?
Okay, when we talk about equity, it's giving the same opportunity for all. So, paano nga ba natin siya may impose or may isisingit sa gender or gender equity? For me, is giving an equal opportunity for all. For example, if you identify yourself as a gay, for me, I identify myself as a gay, I think I can still join in a sport like basketball. Because some other people, especially the men, if they think na you're part of LGBT community, they restricted you to join in basketball. If you're going to ask me kung paano ko yun nasabi, I do have a friend, like he part of LGBT community, and he wanted to join in basketball. But those member of those basketball team, they restricted him in joining because yun nga, recognize siya as part of LGBT community. So I think the gender equity is giving the same opportunity for all, no gender. Okay, dapat tanggalin natin yung, I mean, there's a gender but more altered way. Kumbaga, kung ano yung kailangan ng isa, yun po yung ibibigay natin sa kanya. For example, me, I do need this. I do need to recognize. I do need more things para ma-recognize ako, not just a different, but as a same human being as those other people. That's why it's important to pass the SOGI bill, because the SOGI bill is not just for the member of LGBT community. It's for us, people or human, to have a protection in all the types of crime and manipulation. So that's all.
Thank you for the heartfelt and warm messages to the viewers and also for the members of the community. So it is really a helpful approach for him to speak to you, speak to me, not just to me, but to the other viewers as well. Or us to be more guided and, of course, be more knowledgeable about their needs, their wants, and the necessities of the members of the community, the LGBTQIA+. The thing that we really fought or fight about, not just about the rights, the domination of the LGBTQIA+ community, rather a gender equality where all gender can express themselves, be together, and act as one. Right?
Right.
So, Thank you so much again, Mr. El Tagonde. And I bet that ends our vlog today, our mukbang session.
Our mukbang session.
So, that's it for today. Goodbye.